Hi friends, today I am telling about computer shortkeys. Control A, select all. Control B, bold. Control C, copy. Control D, delete or duplicate. Control plus E, center. Control plus F, find. Control plus G, go to. Control plus H, find or replace. Control plus I, italic. Control plus J, justify. Control plus K, hyperlink. Control plus L, left align. Control plus M, new slide. Control plus N, new page. Control plus O, open. Control plus P, print. Control plus Q, white. Control plus R, right align. Control plus S, save. Control plus T, new tab. Control plus U, underline. Control plus V, paste. Control plus W, close the window. Control plus X, cut. Control plus Y, redo. Control plus Z, undo. Thank you. Follow for more updates.